Hi, I'm Anthony and I'm part of the Agile team here at GiG.
The goal of Agile team is to promote a learning culture and create the environment our people need to thrive, placing our partners always at the center. In our Scrum Foundations workshop, we teach through interactive examples and playing with Legos how to work closer as a team and bring communication and collaboration to the next level. This workshop is one of the many that we provide, and one that we have delivered more than 30 times in the last year within GiG already.
If you're part of GiG and you haven't attended already one of our workshops, we invite you to join us. If you are not part of GiG yet, we hope to see you as a member of our family in the future.